How to fix Gmail not receiving emails. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Now navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. For this network, give a first restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then you can enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network issues. Next up, what you want to do is close this, launch your mail. Now click on 3 bars given at the top left. Now head over to the option spam. You can check over here if you are receiving the mails in this spam section. If that's the case, you can move spam mails to the primary one. Likewise, next thing you want to do is click on 3 bars again. Now head over to the option settings. Now click on your mail account. Then click on the option blocked users. Check this list whether you have blocked anyone so you are not receiving mail from those. You can check this list, go through it and unblock the users. Likewise, next thing you want to do is close this, launch your settings app. Now navigate to the option general, click on the option iPhone storage. From this list, find the app Gmail. Once you find it, open it, click on upload app, click on upload app. Then click on reinstall app. Likewise, open your mail app. Then click on the profile icon given at the top right. Make sure you have enough storage. If you're getting this kind of pop-up, manage storage, click on it. Then you have to clean up space. With these, you'll be receiving mails in your Gmail. So this is how you can easily fix Gmail not receiving mails. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.